Nah, so guys can see we actually lost that trade. Like the video I made in the morning about the long position I took on Bitcoin. We lost the trade actually, and so guys can see right now. It is what it is, man. You don't win all the time. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But I actually have a good news. The good news is that right now we are currently sitting on the Bitcoin previous all-time high. Yeah, the previous all-time high before the recent bull run. This is it. Let me show you guys what I mean. Yeah, looking at Bitcoin from the daily time frame. You see, this is a previous all-time high here, which is 69,200 thereabout or so. And currently now we are currently sitting on that previous all-time high. What does this mean? What it simply means that the market will definitely it will definitely what do you call it? It will definitely retrace. Understand? But the issue right now is that when and where is what we don't really know. Understand? So all we just have to do is just to sit back and watch and see if we get a pattern that shows that signal the market is about to retrace back. Understand? Because definitely it's gonna this you gonna reject at this particular point because this an all-time high, when you say an all-time high, like at the previous all-time high, that is a very strong point of support. Understand? So definitely the market will definitely it definitely support the market for the meantime. Then the market will definitely do something like this before it break that zone. Maybe it might come down to somewhere around here. Then we push back to either here or somewhere here. Then if the bull run is over, like we are currently about to enter the bear market, they will not have a downward trend like this. So, but the most part is that we're definitely gonna have a retracement, like which could have a change of trend or maybe just a pullback, but we're definitely gonna have a retracement here. So, like I say, all we just have to do right now, just sit back, watch, and just be watching. I mean, stay on alert. I'll wait till whenever we get an entry, and when we see some that will give us an entry that we're about to take a long position on Bitcoin. Then we'll take the long position. So that's just it. We have currently lost the Bitcoin. And also, we are currently also watching gold. As you guys can see, have our eyes on gold. And after the Natom, blah, 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 this is also what we are looking at. And we're just looking because right now the chart is not clear enough for us to say this is what we are looking at or this is what we're not looking at. So we just cross our fingers and just keep watching and see what next. So that's just it, guys.